Every one of those shots was generated from a text prompt. No camera, no crew, no location. In the next 5 minutes, you will learn exactly which words to add to your prompts to control how the camera moves. By the end of this episode, you will know 3 things. 1. Why camera movement transforms a flat clip into a cinematic one. 2. The exact prompt keywords for 4 professional camera movements. 3. How to combine movement keywords with the 4-step formula from Episode 2. Look at those 2 clips. Same subject, same location, same style. The only difference is that the second one has camera movement in the prompt. Camera movement is not a detail. It is a decision. It tells the viewer where to look, what to feel, and how to read the scene. A static shot says, observe. A slow push-in says, pay attention. A drone descent says, this place matters. When you add movement to your prompts, you stop generating footage and start directing a scene. There are 4 camera movements you can control in Google Flow with prompt keywords. Keep this card on screen. You will want to screenshot it. First, drone and aerial shots. Use the words aerial view, bird's eye view, or overhead drone shot slowly descending to pull the camera up and above your scene. Second, panning. Use slow pan left, pan right revealing, or horizontal tracking shot to move the camera sideways across the scene. Third, zoom. Use slow zoom in, dramatic zoom out, push in, or pull back to move the camera toward or away from your subject. Fourth, tilt. Use tilt up revealing, tilt down, or vertical pan upward to move the camera on a vertical axis. These keywords work because Google Flow has been trained on professional cinematography. It recognizes the vocabulary of film, so use it. Prompt A, a drone shot over Kigali. Overhead, drone shot slowly descending. That is the movement keyword. Terraced hills of Kigali at golden hour. That is the location and lighting. 3D cinematic animation, warm light, smooth motion. That is the style. Prompt B, a slow pan revealing Lake Kivu. Slow pan right revealing. This tells the AI to start framed on one side and sweep across to expose the full scene. Notice the word revealing. It signals to the AI that something is hidden and should be discovered by the movement. Prompt C, a slow zoom into a moment of craftsmanship. Slow zoom in combined with close-up detail and shallow depth of field layers 3 depth cues at once. The result draws the viewer's eye directly to the hands, exactly where we want it. Prompt D, a tilt-up revealing an iconic Kigali landmark. Tilt-up slowly revealing starts at ground level and rises to expose the full building. Combined with dramatic storm sky and moody blue-gray light, this becomes a statement shot. Here is the single most important rule for camera movement prompts. 1 movement per prompt. If you combine 3 different movements in one prompt, the AI gets confused and the result is unstable. Pick 1 movement, make it intentional. Add detail to that movement. Speed, direction, what it reveals. If you find Google Flow's motion is inconsistent on a particular shot, try Luma AI. Its camera control system uses slightly different keywords, all of which are listed in the PDF workbook for this episode. Let us recap. Camera movement transforms a static clip into a directed scene. 4 movements: drone, pan, zoom, tilt, each controlled by specific prompt keywords. 1 movement per prompt, 1 intention per shot. Here's your challenge. Open the free PDF in the description. You will find 30 prompts, 1 for each camera movement type, all set in Rwanda. Pick 1. Generate your clip in Google Flow, and if you get stuck along the way, drop your question in the comment or to our email aicontest.rwanda@gmail.com. We read every single one, and we'll help you out. In Episode 4, we take things further. Instead of starting from a text prompt, you will start from a photograph, a real image, and use Google Flow to bring it to life. If you have a photo of your neighborhood, your family, or your city, Episode 4 is for you. That camera move you just learned could be exactly what makes your competition entry stand out. Submissions are open until August 31st across 3 tracks. 1 great shot can catch a judge's eye. Find full entry details in the link below. Subscribe to the channel. See you in episode 4.